Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Cash Management Account, a comprehensive tool to manage your finances effectively. A Fidelity Cash Management Account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to manage your cash and investments in one place. It offers a range of benefits, including high-yield interest rates, low fees, and easy access to your money. To get started, you will need to open a Fidelity Cash Management account, which can be done online or by phone. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your existing bank account or by mailing a check. One of the key benefits of a Fidelity Cash Management account is the high-yield interest rate it offers. This means you can earn a higher interest rate on your cash than you would with a traditional savings account. Additionally, Fidelity Cash Management accounts often come with low or no fees, which can help you save money over time. Another benefit of a Fidelity Cash Management account is its flexibility. You can use your account to pay bills, write checks, and make online transactions. You can also use your account to invest in a range of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This makes it a great option for those who want to manage their finances and investments in one place. To make the most of your Fidelity Cash Management account, it is essential to understand the different features and tools it offers. For example, you can set up automatic transfers from your account to your investment portfolio, which can help you invest regularly and make the most of your money. You can also use the account to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep your account information up to date and secure. This includes monitoring your account activity regularly and reporting any suspicious transactions to Fidelity immediately. You should also take advantage of the educational resources and tools offered by Fidelity to help you make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, a Fidelity Cash Management account is a powerful tool for managing your finances and investments. By understanding the benefits and features of the account, and by following best practices, you can make the most of your account and achieve your financial goals. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, a Fidelity Cash Management account is a great option for anyone looking to take control of their finances and secure their financial future.